Hello, hello everyone. It's Teresa with Critters Crochet. Welcome. How is everyone this morning? Today is Wednesday, so that means it's Battle of the Stitches. This is the third Wednesday, so that also means that it is time for me to reveal the project that I made with the slip stitch rib. Um, some of you had some really great guesses on last week's video, and Heather has already posted hers, so make sure you go and watch her video for her reveal today. But here is what I made. It was going to be a clutch, but when I worked it out, it came out a little bit larger than what I thought. So I just made it into, I put a small little um let me stand up a little bit. I put a little strap on it, and there it is. This little clutch. I think it's super cute. It is made with the mainstays sparkle silver, so it has a little sparkle to it. So really cute for a night out on the town. And yeah, so I used the sparkle yarn. So this is my project. And the tutorial, I will have the tutorial for that, but it won't be put up until tomorrow. I'm still working on that tutorial, so it'll be tomorrow when I have that tutorial loaded and ready for you to see. So what's going to happen now is, uh, excuse me, and oh, before I get into that, I was going to tell you about this. This pattern is so super easy that you can adapt it to whatever size you want. Um, and it could be made like small, like this, like just a little something for your cell phone. Uh, so because the slip stitch rib doesn't have a multiple. You just chain for whatever size you want. So it's very adaptable to make it any size. And you can make the strap any size you like. For the strap, I didn't do the slip stitch rib. I did half double crochets. So I will be putting up the tutorial for this, and you'll see that tomorrow. But in the meantime, here's what you get to do. Sorry, I had to get a drink. In the community, I will have this video posted, but also today in the community tab, you will find a poll, and it is going to say Teresa and Heather are your two options. So you'll need to go over and look at Heather's video and see what project she made, and then you're going to vote whether you liked my project or you liked Heather's project the best. And then what we're going to do, we're going to keep a watch on this. And over this week, we are, until next Wednesday, we are going to get a tally, and we are going to calculate how many votes each person got. And whether it's me or Heather, which one of us got the most votes, then we will do a drawing for someone to win. If I get the most votes, then I'll do a drawing to win this bag. If Heather's project gets the most votes, then she will draw for a winner for her project. Now, what you need to do, because this is really important, when you make your choice on the poll, it shows me how many votes, but it does not tell us who voted. So in the comments section, not here, not on this video, but in the comments section of the poll, I need you to put a comment that says something like, I voted, or I want to be in the giveaway, something like that, so that I can get your name recorded that you participated in the drawing, okay? And you want to be included in the giveaway. All right. So that's what's going to happen with this. Like I said, in a little bit, there will be, or on Thursday, there will be the tutorial for the bag. And it's super, super easy, guys. You can do this. You can use any, I just used a worsted weight yarn, because the stitch is so tight, you don't see through it. There's not holes, so nothing's going to fall through this. So you don't even have to line it. That's what makes it so wonderful. So you just need any type of worsted weight yarn, and a 5.5mm hook and a button, and you're good to go. The only sewing that is on this is when you attach um, your straps. That's it. So the way this works, guys, I'm going to go this again in case there's somebody on here who's just joined my channel and you don't know anything about Battle of the Stitches. This is our first month doing this, so we're really excited. But if you are a YouTube creator and you would like to join Heather and me in creating a project, then let us know. Send me an email or send Heather an email and let us know that you want to join in if you are a content creator, and we'll give you the details on how to join in and what to do. If you're not a content creator, then your part in this is to watch the videos each Wednesday, do the voting when we put up the poll in our community tabs to vote. When we open up the voting, vote for your favorite, and let us know that you want to be in the giveaway. So that's it. And we are really, Heather and I are the only ones doing it this month, but we would love to have more content creators join in. So please let us know if you would like to join in. This has been fun. We create this, these are patterns that we've created ourselves from this stitch. This is not a pattern that we've just pulled and redone. We've created this pattern ourselves. So I hope you will join us in. If you're a content creator, I hope you will join. If you are not, I hope you will participate in the voting and guessing on what you think our projects are. We have not figured out what we're doing for next month yet, but that will be coming soon. We will announce that very soon. Probably next week when we do the drawing and announce the winner, we'll probably go ahead and announce the new stitch. So I'm going to get busy on finishing up the tutorial so that can be posted for tomorrow. But guys, take a look at mine. After you finish watching this video, go right over to Heather's channel at Strings and Threads. Her link to her channel will be in the description box. Head over there and watch her video today, and then come back and cast your vote, okay? Come back and cast your vote on which one you like the best. So I hope you guys have a wonderful Wednesday. Thanks for being so supportive of our channels, and I will talk to you again soon. Bye, guys.